In previous video, we had seen how to install STS, and in this video, we will create our first Spring Boot project. So as you can see in Project Explorer, you are getting an option to create a new Spring Starter project. Okay, so we will name it as Hello Spring Boot. Okay, and here you can give your Java version after checking which version is installed on your system, and give package as per your liking and change the version. Okay, here you will get something that as 0.0.1 dot snapshot. So I have changed it to 1. You can leave it as it is for time being. We will later come to know what is the use of it. So just click next, and at this page you will get an option to select dependencies. So we will select Spring Web, or you can type it here Spring Web. Okay, I'll tell you what it is in some other video, but for time being just select Spring Web and click on finish. So once you do it, there will be some dependencies downloaded from internet. So make sure that you have an internet connection. Okay, and you will get structure like this already created. So these many files Spring Boot has created for you. And this is the main file where we are defining our dependencies like this. So I'll tell you how this is a file which is being used by Maven. So when we read Maven, we will refer to this pom.xml file. For time being, the most important file for you is Hello Spring Boot application. So this is where your application will get started. So we will see this method, this class contains main method. So we can simply do a right click and run as Java application. And if we carefully see the console, we can see that it has started a Tomcat. So you don't need to install a Tomcat. It is already inbuilt in Spring Boot, and it has started at 8080 port. So we will try to access it. See, now we have not defined any mapping. Therefore, we are getting an error. So now we will tell our code where to look if this kind of URL is being accessed from our application. So we will create a controller here. Name it as hello controller. You can name it anything you want. Okay. And when you do add the rate and type rest controller and do a control space, you will get this annotation. So once Spring sees this annotation, it knows that this is a REST controller. Okay. And we will have a method public string. For time being, we are using string get hello. This method is not taking anything. And we see, if you see the URL, this says /hello. So we will have to define a method here, mapping. So we will say @request mapping. And in quotes /hello. Okay. Now from here, we will return a string hello from Spring. Now we will stop this and just do a right click and run as Java application. Go to the main class and run as Java application. Okay, let's see now what happens. See, it is starting at 8080. We'll go and do a /hello. See, now your assignment is print your name. Hello. Say my name is Ankit. Then you will have to print hello Ankit. If your name is XYZ, then you will have to print hello XYZ. So you will have to change this file only. See. Okay. So now we will have to first stop this server, and then do a right click and run in main class again, run as Java application. Now we will try to access hello. See, hello XYZ is coming. So we'll end this video here. If you get any doubts, you can comment under this comment section and we will get it resolved.